Introducing the Magento 2 Quick Product Edit module, which allows you to edit products directly from the front end, save time, and manage your store more efficiently. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. Now, let's look at the functionality of this module. First, ensure that the Quick Product Edit extension is installed and enabled in Magento. Then, go to Stores and navigate to Configuration. Here, in the Quick Product Edit settings, enable the feature. You can also disable it if needed. Then, click on the Save Config button and your configuration will be saved successfully. Log in to the Magento admin panel and keep the session active in the browser. This is required for the added button to appear on the product page. Now, open any product page on the storefront while remaining logged in to the admin panel. Here, you'll see two options, Inline Edit and Edit. When you click on the Edit button, the module opens the Edit panel where you can update product data such as the product name, price, special price, description, short description, SKU, and more. Here's an example of how it works. After making updates like this, click on the Save button. A success message will be displayed to confirm that the changes have been saved. Similarly, you can use the Inline Edit option for quick updates. Using this feature, you can edit the product name, price, SKU, description, and more directly from the page. Here's an example of the Inline Edit feature. Here, we have edited the product using the Inline Edit option and then clicked on the Save button. As you can see, the product name has been successfully updated. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned.